What's up guys, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Vike Studio here. In this video I want to show you how you can create your own mockup by yourself. It's not every time you get data to download mockups from mockup sites like Freepik, freepsd.com and all of those stuff. So in this video you'll be learning how to do your own mockup by yourself without downloading. So if this video interests you, kindly stick around this video and watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and like on this video, and do as well to share this video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video why I show you this. Okay, we'll be doing this with Photoshop. So maybe another version of this video might come through COREL. If you wish for me to drop a video how you can do that with COREL, you can drop your comment down below, but for the sake of this video, let's start with Photoshop. So you launch your Photoshop software. So here is my environment right now. This is my Photoshop right now. I'm using Photoshop CC. Okay, so what the first thing you have to do before you start any of this mockup is get your design done. Maybe any design you wish to make a mockup of, especially flyers and maybe stickers and all of this stuff. So get your design done, and then when you come to Photoshop, kindly create a new project by clicking Ctrl N to create your new project. And I think I will be using 6 by 6 inches for now. Okay, I will create a 6 by 6 inches for this video. Okay, so you wait for it to load and then it comes up. Oh, why is it taking a lot of time? Okay. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time to load. Okay, all right, I now have my 6 by 6 inches for my mockup. So I think the next thing we'll be doing is I will bring up the particular design I want to make mockup of. So I think I will first convert this to a layer. Once you go to your layer panel, you see what I created as a background. So what you are going to do is this: you are going to right click on the particular place, right click on that particular place. I don't know why this thing is slow. Okay, so you right click on their particular page you create, that 6 by 6 inches. You see layer from background. So this is what we are going to do: layer from background. We now have something like this. So this will allow us to add colors or manipulate anything on our background. So what I'll do next is I'll bring up the design which I want to make mockup of. I think I'll be using this design for this tutorial. So I'll just drag in into Photoshop like this and then leave. Okay, this is the design. Okay, I'm coming. Let me zoom out. This is the particular design I'm going to make mockup of. Let me zoom out. Okay, we now have something like this. I will click on this and mark it. Okay, so what you are going to do next is we are going to resize this particular design. Okay, so we are going to resize this particular design. So you hold on your shift and then your alt key while you resize this. So we do something like this. Okay, I think I should leave it around this side, so I'm okay with this. Then I hit on, okay, something like this. Let me shift it to the middle. I'm so sorry, I don't know why this is slow. Okay. Okay. So on our background, what we are going to do is you click on the layer which we've already created that first time. So you go to your layer panel where you see this down here, where you can see your add layer style, add layer mark. So you click on create new field and adjustment, click on that. So what we'll be doing is we'll be adding a gradient to the foreground. Okay, so you click on that, and then we now have something like this. So what we are going to do is click on where the gradient is, and then we'll create a gradient right now. So I'll click on this part, click on that part to pick a color from this our design, this side. I'll pick something like this from here, and then I will hit OK. Then from this side also I'll double click here and then pick something from here also. Okay, I think I'm okay with that, so I hit on OK. So let's hit OK. Let's see. So I think this the style I'm going to choose. Let's see, angle. I think angle will be best for me. Yes, I'm going to choose angle. Okay, let me choose something like this gradient. Let me click on this part and then hit on the gradient again to fill that with a particular color. I will hit on this side to pick a color from here. Okay, I'll click on this side again, click on this side to pick the lighter part of the pink from here. Okay, then I hit on OK, then finally OK. Right, we hit on OK. We are done with that particular part. So what we are going to do is now we'll click on the image we want to make a mock-up of. So I'll drag it to the middle. I think I will resize that a little. Hold on your Alt and Shift key while you transform that a little. Okay, do something like this. Let me increase a little. You have something like this. Something like this. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know why this thing is slow here, so I hope you are following. So what we'll do is we are going to rotate this a little. So once your arrow changes to something like this, then you rotate. You see how I'm doing it? Then you rotate a little. Rotate something like this. Let's rotate a little. I don't know why this thing is slow. Maybe if you have any option for me to get my system alright from being slow, you can leave a comment down below why I find solution to this. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you are finding this video interesting. So I think I have this perfect option for me. So what I'll do is I'll resize this a little again. Hold on your shift and alt while you resize the image. Okay, I think I'm okay here. Let me see. Sorry, let me resize again. I don't know why this thing is slow. Put on your shift and alt while you resize. Then let's see this again. Okay, I think I'll be okay with that. So alright guys, we now have something like this. You know, before you can make something realistic like in form of a mock-up, which I'm going to show you now, we have to do with shadows. Okay, so we are going to create shadows around this design that will make it look as if we make a mock-up of this particular design. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. This is the most important part of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Okay, so I hit on this, I just hit on this mark here. Okay, so we are done with that particular. Okay, it's transforming the object. So we are done with that particular stuff. So while we are going to make mock-up of this right now, so there are two ways to do this, but I will not advise you to do this through your add layer style option, where you go to add drop shadows and all of that. No, we are going to create something realistic on this design. So what you are going to do is you go to your shape tools, where you can find your ellipse tool. You left click down the shape tool, then you pick up your ellipse tool. Okay, pick up your ellipse tool, and then you hold on. Okay, no need to hold on any control. So you just draw something like this. You draw something like this, Try to get what I'm doing. Okay, so we draw something like this, and then we are going to fill this particular ellipse. I know it's not the perfect ellipse. You can see what I'm doing. We are going to fill this particular ellipse with a black color. Okay, so we want something realistic. Okay, let's fill this particular ellipse with a black color. I think we'll pick a black color here. So you see, we now have a black color. So what you are going to do now is you go to your filter, get onto your filter, and then you see blur, then you go to Gaussian blur. Okay, go to your Gaussian blur. Oh my god, this thing is slow, man. So you hit on Gaussian blur. That's why this video is taking a lot of time. So you rasterize the shape. So here is our Gaussian blur. So we are going to add a Gaussian blur to that. I think we should reduce the Gaussian blur to have something like this. Let's have 2.0 pixels. Let's see. Let's make it 3. I have 3.5 pixels. Nice for the radius. Oh my god, this thing is slow, man. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know why this thing is slow. So I think we have 3.5 pixels and I'm okay with that. So you hit on OK. So you hit on OK, and then the next thing we are going to do to this particular sec, in order for this image to become realistic, as if we make a mock-up of that, is go to your your opacity. Try to reduce the opacity, till you find something amazing for you. I think I have 36. Yes, let me leave it to 36. Let's see. Okay, I think I'll reduce the fill a little to something like 80. 67. Okay, I think 67 will be the best. So right now let me zoom in so that we can see this. My god, why is this thing slow? Okay, this is what we are having right now. So what you do, you just drag the ellipse tool down below a little, drag it down a little. Okay, I think we'll leave it here. Okay, shift it a little. Okay, and now I'm okay with this. So once we zoom out, it will look as if we make a mock-up of this particular design. Okay, right, this is how it looks. Now the essence of the little ellipse we draw and then we gave it a blur, the essence is it will be like we added, that is that it will be like we added the reflection of that image of the particular design we did downward. Okay, and this is what we're having now. It's now looking as if we make a mock-up of that. Okay, this is all about this video, guys. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and leave a comment down below, and if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.